Hello everyone, welcome back to AGC Maths World. So today we are in exercise 1.5 10th class real numbers first chapter. Okay, right, see first question is, this is the question is that determine the values of the following. Okay, so first question is given as log 5 base 25. So now can I write as a base 25 as 5 square? Why? Because 5 into 5 is 25. Yes or no? Right. So now I am writing here log 5 base 5 power 2. Okay, base 5 power 2 is nothing but 5 square. Now I am comparing this log 5 base 5 square with log n base a power m equals to 1 by m log n a. So I am writing in the same way. Now 1 by 2. Why? Because here 1 by m is nothing but m here. What is the power here? 2 here. So 1 by 2 of log 5 base 5. So you already know that log a to the base a is equals to 1. Log a to the base a is equals to 1. So here it is nothing but 1. Log 5 base 5 equals to 1. Your final answer is 1 by 2. Okay, right. So now next I am going to solve the second problem here. See the second problem. So what is the second problem? Log 3 base 81. So can I express the 81 in terms of 3? Yes, definitely I can express. See here. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So here how many times 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. So can I write as 3 power 4? Yes. So then your answer will be log 3 base 3 power 4. So it is again in the form of log n base a power m equals to 1 by m log n base a. So it is in the form of log n base a power m. So that is nothing but 1 by m is nothing but 1 by 4 into log 3 by base 3. So that is nothing but 1 by 4 into 1. That is equals to 1 by 4 is your answer. So that's all about these two questions. Okay. Now see the third question. So the third question is log 1 by 16 base 2. Okay, right. So now can I express the log 1 by 16, can I write as 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Can I write it as a 2 power 4? Definitely. So 1 by 2 power 4 base 2. Then log, so can I write this 1 by 2 power 4 as 2 power minus 4 base 2? Yes. So then, so now you know that a power m equals to 1 by a power minus m. The reverse is a power minus m equals to 1 by a power m. Yes or no? Yes. So using this, right, using this I written this thing. Okay, right. Now see, so here it is in the form of log x power n. So log x power n is nothing but n log x. Log x power n equals to n log x. So now can I write here minus 4 into log 2 base 2. So log 2 base 2 is nothing but log a base a equals to 1. Log a base a equals to 1. So now my final answer is minus 4 into 1, that is equals to minus 4. So this is your third answer. Next one, fourth answer. Right. The fourth answer is, so log 1 base 7 is equals to 0. How it is 0 means 7 power 0 is 1. 7 power 0 is 1. Okay. So then log 1 base 7 equal to 0. So to the log 1, any base is equal to 0. Any base. You can take 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 0. Okay. No? So that is your answer. Next, fifth one. So yeah, fifth question is log root x base x. So can I write the root x as log x power 1 by 2? Why? Because root is equals to 1 by 2, right? So then the final answer will be, it is in the form of log x power n. Log x power n is equals to n log x. So that is equals to 1 by 2 of log x base x. So log x base x is nothing but log a base a equals to 1. So the final answer is 1 by 2. So that's all about these 5 questions.